Okay, let us watch semifinals between Sir Marbs and Vincent. Pangalawang pagkakaharap namin ito ni Vincent. Okay. Third ball attack. Lob 1. It's out. Lob 2. Out again. Lob 3. Wow, bilis pumesto ni Sir Marbs ah. Lob 4. Yun, nasabitan. 4-1. Nice blocking. 4-2. Ganda naman atake nun. 4-3. Out. All 4. Galing. Mabul agad. Nice serve, Sir Marbs. 5-4. Oh, all 5. Close fight. Grabe, lumamang pa. 6-5. Oh, it's out. Nice attack, Sir Marbs. 6-all. Nice attack, Sir Marbs. 7-6. Bilis ng paa. 8-6. Nakalason. Ang long pips. 9-6. Oh, grabe naman blocking yun. Last 6. Oh, yan pa lang ang last 6. Oh, grabe side spin. Nakauna si Sir Marbs. Congrats. So, tinan natin ang round 2, ang adjustment. Out, lob 1. Lamang si Vincent. Nice placing. Lob 2. Umadjust si Vincent. Nakalaso ng long pips. 2-1. Wow. Oh, naibalik. Grabe. 3-1 po ang score. 3-2. Outside ang receiving niya. Oh, 4-2. Double bounces po sa akin. 5-2. Grabe, nag-adjust si Vincent. Wow. Ang layo na nun. 6-2. Ang bilis umide-step ah. Nakalason. 6-3. Yanong ikot naman nun. 7-3. Ambak tayo ah. Out. 7-4. Ba, lumalaban pa Sir Marbs ah. Nice rally. Oh, it's out. 7-5. Ay, 7-6. Sabit. Sorry. Oh, ang galing talaga. Huli. Ay, ba? Nice one. All 7. Nabutan mo pa, Sir Marbs yun. Ganda ng rally naman. Grabe, oh. Oh, lumamang pa nga ako. 8-7. Nice rally yun. Wow, wow, wow. All 8. Close fight. Sumala, lumiko. 9-8. Lamang siya. Last 8. Oh, dire-diretso naman yun. Congratulations. 1-all. Decision game na po ito. It's out. Lob 1. Lamang si Sir Marbs. All 1. It's out din. Outside. 2-1. Lamang si Vincent. Oh, grabing look. Patay. May forward pa. 3-1. Lupit. Grabe. Binugbog na ako. 4-1. Naku. 5-1. Double bounces. Kaya pa ba humabol, Sir Marbs? 5-2. Wow, dalawang sunod. 5-3. Ba, naka-veterans move tayo dun ha. Ouch. 6-3. Laglag. Nice loop. 6-4. Grabing second ball yun ah. Wow! What a forward. 7-4. Kumikisi pa talaga si Sir Marv. 7-5. Oh, napalikuan. 7-6. Nice absorb yun. Ay, 8-6. It's out. 8-6. Sabol pa, Sir Marvs. What a forward. 8-7. Ganda ng laban, ah. Naku, huli ka, Sir Marvs doon. Ang gandang maglagay. 9-7. It's out. 9-8. Close fight. Sinong mananalo? All 9. Nice rally. Grabe yun. From 5-1 to all 9. Lumamang pa. Lupit mo, Sir Marvs. 10-9. Lumamang ka pa, ha? Sayang. Panapos na tira. Juice. Oh, it's out. Advantage si Sir Marvs. Oh. Wow. Grabing ratratan to. Oh! Grabe ka, Vincent. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom! Pasampung banat. Grabe yan. Juice. Oh, nakalaso ng long pips ko. Advantage. What a super loop. Go! Nalusutan ni Sir Marvs. Congratulations. Thank you, Vincent. Till next time tayo.